G'day Glenn, how you going? G'day Glenn, what do you want today? I'm very surprised to see you around here. I just come in because I just want to see how you're going, see what you're doing, and I just wanted to say, g'day, how you going? Listen Glenn, last time you were around here, I lent you some money, you pulled a swifty on me. That's not very good. Oh, sorry mate. I can give you your money back. How much do I owe you? It's $20, wasn't it? Yeah, I'll give it back to you, mate. Yeah, thanks for the $20. You still put a swifty on me. It's like 2 years ago that I gave you that $20, and you just fucked off and you didn't even come back to pay me back. And I called you, nothing. Can't do nothing. So you just pull a swifty, so I just want you to get out now. Oh come on mate, you don't mean that. I did pay you back man. 2 years, it doesn't matter about the time period. I just still want to be your friend. Can we just be friends please? Listen mate, I won't say this again. You're an asshole. Get out of my house before I call the police. Oh fine, I'll leave. Can I still come around tomorrow day? Go now. Oh fine then, bye. Stuck up bastard. Bye. So hello people, how you going? So that was a demonstration of someone pulling a swifty. So when someone pulls a swifty, it means they're being deceitful and dishonest. So please do not be deceitful or dishonest, because it's really not good. And if you, in Australia, if you come across someone who's like that, tell everyone about them. Say, that person pulls a swifty on you, he's going to rip you off. And even though the person paid you back, well, they're still doing a swifty. So in that demonstration was with money, but they could also do it with relationships. So if there's 3 friends and one of them was telling lies about you to the other friend and was trying to get that person to not like you, then that is a deceitful act, and those people you do not want to be around. So how you use this in a sentence is to pull a swifty is we just apply it like, you are pulling a swifty on me. So, or don't pull a swifty, it is not good. So instead of saying not writing, well you can write it as well, but instead of saying being deceitful or acting in a dishonest manner, you just say pulling a swifty. So you can replace don't be deceitful with me with don't pull a swifty with me, or don't be dishonest with me, don't pull a swifty with me. It means the same thing, but not everyone in Australia will actually understand this, and I would say it's more common in the country areas. In the city areas, there are a lot of people who are from non-Anglo-Saxon, which is me, background. Like they could come from India, China, they could come from Southern Europe like Greece. We have a large Greek community here, and a large Italian community, large Macedonian community too, but not too many Serbians. It's a bit weird. So their English might be different and their slang might be different. So when you come to Australia, don't pull a swifty on anyone, because it's really not nice, and in the end you will lose out because no one will trust you and no one will like you. Anyway, have an awesome afternoon and take care of yourself and take care of your family, and just be good. Hooroo.